Welcome back to another video, and I'm going to show you how to render in ChatGPT. Revit and Lumion and Inkscape, they all do very well, but ChatGPT is free and easy. So as you can see, this is a 3D view of a model I made in Revit. So it's not cheating, it's not ChatGPT is making the model for you. No, I built this entire thing bottom to top in Revit. The only thing I need ChatGPT to do is make it look realistic. So you're gonna take your model and go to ChatGPT, and you're gonna first put create image. Then you're gonna upload your image. So this is the library. And the thing with ChatGPT rendering is you need to be very specific. Okay, so first I'm going to tell it what this is and where it was made. So I'm going to say, here is a 3D model I made in Revit. By telling it what it is and where it's made, I think that does something to the chat AI bot. It lets it analyze it better, maybe. So if you made it in SketchUp, then say SketchUp. You made it in Floor Planner, say Floor Planner. I made it in Revit. The next sentence should always be, can you render this to make it more realistic? Okay, question mark. Don't put a period. Then you're going to specify pretty much almost every aspect of the room. The vibe, I'm going to tell it what the vibe I want it to be. The vibe needs to be vintage, period. The floors are a dark brown wood. Okay. The built-in bookcases are a deep, dark navy blue. Oh, also, what I think I forgot to do, but I'm going to tell it, it is a home library. So this is a 3D model of a home library I made in Revit. Okay, back to the bookcase. The bookcases are built in. They are deep, dark navy blue. The wall color is Accessible Beige by Sherwin Williams. Okay, let it know the wall color. Don't just say it's a beige. Okay, then the window frame also needs to be the same color as the floors. Next to the window is a, let's say, vintage looking wall sconce that has gold brass hardware slash backplate. Okay, don't forget accessories. Add books to or in the shelves. There is cabinet storage under the bookshelves and this seating area. Make the cabinet style have character. So nothing simplistic. This is supposed to be a vintage vibe. So this is the prompt. It was quick and it was easy to make that. So now you're going to send and it's going to do its thing. This is it. Tell me that's not what I just told him to do. Like, look how amazing that looks. Look how clear it is. It is not blurry and foggy. And best of all, it was free. Like, come on now. So, to sum everything up, to render, and I'm going to put both of them side by side so you can truly see how the 3D model perfectly correlates with the rendering. So, to sum it up, what you need to do is tell the chat what this is. So, if you do a 3D model of a living room, say this is a 3D model of a living room, where it was made, SketchUp, Revit, whatever, AutoCAD, what it is, what it was made. Then every sentence after that needs to be complete full sentences of your specifications. So what type and what color your floor is, what color and cabinet style your cabinetry is, color of the windowsill, color of the walls, the light fixtures, all that. Specify complete sentences. Do not try to do two specifications in one sentence. So don't say there's a vintage light with brass hardware and the windowsill is brown. No, split those up into two sentences. Don't overstimulate the bot. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. Hope it was very helpful. And God bless.